In this video, I will show you how to stop Acrobat Reader from opening automatically. To do this, what you want to do is open up Adobe Acrobat on your computer or laptop, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the menu button just up here. From this menu, come and click onto Preferences, and from the Preferences window, you want to come over to the left hand side and click onto Internet. What you then want to do is click the button which says Internet Settings, and what it's going to do is open up your Internet Properties window. Now from here, if you come up to the top, you want to click onto the Programs tab here and then click the Manage Add-ons button. What that's going to do is open up the Manage Add-ons window, and from here you want to come and click down here to where it says Show. You want to click onto the drop down box underneath here and click onto Run Without Permission. Now once you've done that, you're going to see Adobe come up at the top. You can see it's currently enabled, so all you need to do is give this a click and then come and click onto Disable at the bottom, and that's going to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening automatically. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Adobe Acrobat and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.